Driverist.
Of course,
May license naman, no? Ngayon, license? Iya, may license na ba? Sana all driverist.
So before we're gonna go to grocery, my son Rex and I are going to Walmart, but I'm going to their Mommy Ayen's challenge, that to do the what's inside my bag. So Mommy Ayen, you know, I always bring a small bag even I go to work or go somewhere. Mahilig talaga ako. I use a body bag because it's easy to carry and it's not hassle. So this is my bag and I want to show it to you guys what inside my bag. Maliit lang siya, so it means I have a little things inside my bag. So first, of course, I have a car keys and I have a ponytail and Mommy Ayen wear the same pressed powder and of course I have an a tissue or a napkin. And of course, a glove thingy, a pad. And then, I always brought a hand, age-depend hand cream. So, alam niyo na, tumatanda na tayo, nagre-wrinkles na yung hands natin. So, I always use gold band hand cream. So, I bought this at Walmart. And of course, I have here, lip shiner, lipstick, and I have a hand sanitizer. Konti lang po yung laman ng bag ko. Then, I'm gonna look here. Bago ko ipakita yung aking, and I still have a fresh nap, hand wipes. So, it still has a hand sanitizer, but it's a wipes. And then last is my tiny wallet. I have a small wallet. It contains our debit card. I have a 2 debit card. And I have lots of cards. Lagi ko to. I always bring our insurance, health insurance, medical insurance, and of course I have for my meal spa card. So, and I have, I don't know, this for the games for the kids, round 1. And I have a Sam's Club card. And then, last is, I have my SSA ID. And I have my permanent residence ID over here. And I have my driving license. Coming soon, pero this is legal manual driving license already. But coming pa yung ID ko kasi kakakuha ko lang ng driving license. So, i-email nila sa akin after a week or 2 weeks. But this is already, I asked them, this is already automatic my driving license. So there you go, guys. That's my bag, Mommy Ayen. Thank you so much for challenging me. And now I'm going to challenge Manding CELIA. It's inside your bag. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, lovely sister Shell Lemon. And keep watching my cooking videos and some videos, travel videos. And of course, nandyan sa description yung link ni Mommy Ayen na nag-challenge sa akin. Please subscribe Mommy Ayen LLUVIDO or Ayen and EJ LLUVIDO. Please subscribe our channel, guys, and keep watching her videos, interesting videos. And there you go. And to all the people that I challenge, I'm going to drop your link in my description. And there you go, guys. You go.